Shoreline Sport and Spine is now offering classes for sports performance training as well as adult classes. Our classes are taught by some of the best movement professionals in the world. Whether you exercise daily or are looking to start a new workout regimen, Shoreline Sport and Spine has something for you. The wide variety of classes are offered throughout the day and night. Classes are designed to improve strength, balance, flexibility, movement performance, and so much more. Nutrition and psychological well-being will also be a part of the program and classes. Moving pain-free while on an injury-preventive program is our specialty. You will not only work towards your individual goals, but you'll also have a lot of fun while doing it. For more information, please visit our website at www.s3physicaltherapy.com/classes. We look forward to working with you soon.